So here's the Shark ION. This is the R76 robot vacuum. As you can see, it's chugging along in here over our carpet. Our carpet is not in the best shape, needs stretching, so we've got some lumps and stuff there, but it's making it over it just fine. You can see the robot vacuum lines in it. It's pretty cool to see what it has covered, what it hasn't covered. Now this one does come with the charging base. It will go back to it when the battery's low. This one will not empty itself. This is one of the lower end models, I guess. I bought it off Woot. So I paid for this. This is not a paid endorsement. But so far I'm pretty impressed with this little guy. I do have areas that have transition pieces like this going into our bathroom. And it goes over it just fine, no problem. And it goes on the little bath rugs and stuff that we have as well. And you can see it's been in here. Hadn't hit everything yet, but we just started it. So this one does come with an app, and you can set up scheduling, and we set this thing to start cleaning the rest of our house at midnight. Now this thing ran for an hour and 26 minutes, and then went back to the charger for just like 7 minutes, and then it went back out and ran for a total time of 2 hours and 6 minutes. So it is crazy that this thing lasted 2 hours just cleaning while we were sleeping. And I mean, it does a pretty decent job. You know, it's not going to be replace your Dyson upright vac or your Shark upright vac, but it's not bad to have around, you know, to let run and clean in between those deep cleanings. So this came out of our bedroom, and we don't even allow our cat in the bedroom. The bedroom and our master bath.
Well,
it's
she
kind of
sneaks in sometimes.
It's kind of embarrassing that we have this much dirt.
And we do clean.
In our bedroom.
And
but there we go. That was after one cleaning. Alright, this thing just ran for over 2 hours. As you can see on here, this thing started at 6:38, ran till 6:40, paused, and then I don't know why, but then it started cleaning again at 6:40, ran to 7:55, and then started cleaning again at 7:56, and then started going to the dock at 8:57. So from 6:38 to 8:57 this thing cleaned, and then finally was on the dock at 9:01. That is crazy, crazy. So here it is, it's charging. I'm gonna check the bin and see how bad it is. There it is, full. It's full of hair and nasty stuff. It's almost embarrassing. Like I said, we do have one cat. But this is crazy. And this is after it's already cleaned like this yesterday and filled this thing up full. So our house is a mess. But this guy's helping us get it cleaner, so it's wild. I highly recommend this. So here we are. This is a year later. All that other part that you just watched was from a year ago, June of last year, 2020. So this is a year later. We're still using this guy. This guy still runs every day. We did change it to run at like 6 a.m. So, and then, you know, it's still running sometimes when I get up for work, 7:30, 8 o'clock. So this guy, we still use it every day. Let's check the bin here. Yep, there's some hair in there. So you can definitely tell that it's not as much. So this guy's keeping us clean somewhat. So this was just from today. But yeah, so it's much better. Like I said, this guy, it's been over a year. We're still using this guy. Still cleans every day. And I'm still impressed with it. So I'm going to go empty that here in a minute. But yeah, if you like this video, if you're interested in getting one of these, this one's an older model. I'll put a link to it down in the description below, along with some of the newer ones that have the automatic empty. Like it's got a large kind of bin back here, and this thing will come back and to the dock, and it will empty into the larger bin. There's also mapping, home mapping, so it'll map your house. And this one just kind of does like sporadic, you know, bumps into something, turns around, and goes a different way. For the new ones, they do mapping where it actually will go in rows, like it'll, you know, up and then back down and then back up and then back down. So it looks a lot nicer and probably gets your house a lot cleaner because it's hitting every spot of your house. So the new ones are far more advanced, but this one is several years old, but it's still working great. So highly recommend the Shark, and if you're interested, the links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Please like, subscribe. See ya.